Today I'm going to talk about different terms which comes under the measurement. These are the terms. First, what is measurement? And another one, physical quantity. Another one, unit and its expression, and different systems of measurement. Let's talk about these terms which comes under this measurement. The first, measurement. What is it? Okay, it would be better to have one simple example. Let's say this is a line. We don't know the length of this line. This is unknown length, unknown physical quantity. If we measure it with the help of ruler like this, then what is found? It is more than 7 centimeter, less than 8, 7.7 centimeter. Now I can say that the length of this line is 7.7 centimeter. Okay, what I did just now, I compared an unknown quantity, unknown length, with a known and recognized length. This comparison is called measurement. That's why, how can we define measurement? Measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with a standard and it is also recognized, standard and recognized quantity. This way we can define measurement. Now let's talk about the second one. What is it? Physical quantity. What is physical quantity? Let's talk about the physical quantity. Let's talk about this. What is the physical quantity? Now, very simple. All the quantities which can be measured directly or indirectly. Just for example, the length of this line can be measured directly, but maybe the velocity cannot be measured directly. We have to measure first length and then how much time is taken to cover that length, and then only we'll be able to find out or measure that physical quantity velocity. That's why, what can we say? All the measurable quantities that can be measured directly or indirectly. Indirectly are called physical quantity. We can give example also. Just for example, just now I told you about the length, isn't it? Length length is a physical quantity. In the same way, mass is another physical quantity. Whenever we go to the market to, if we buy some sugar or something, then its mass is measured. The other also pressure, force, current. There are many. That's why these are few examples: length, mass, pressure, force, current. We can say temperature also, we can say other, power, work, etc. This is the definition of physical quantity. Now let's talk about the unit and its expression. I mean to say, what is unit and how do we express unit? Let's talk about this unit. What is unit? Units are the standard recognized quantities. Units are the standard recognized standard and recognized quantities that are used to measure what? Unknown quantity. Unknown quantities that are used to measure what? Unknown quantities. Just for example, we can say this way. Just for example, meter. Meter is a unit. In the same way, kilogram is a unit. Second is another unit, etc. This meter is the unit of length, kilogram is the unit of mass, second is the unit of time. These are the units which are recognized quantities, standard quantity, and they are used to measure the unknown quantities. This way we can define unit also. Okay, let's talk about different systems of unit. What are different systems of unit? There are different systems of unit. Different systems of unit. What are they? One is MKS system. MKS system. This is also called meter, kilogram, and second system. And second one, CGS system. This is also called centimeter, gram, and second system. And this third one, FPS system. This is foot, pound, and second system. And another one is SI system. Look at, these are the major systems of measurement which are used throughout the world. Somewhere this MK system is we use, somewhere CGS, sometimes somewhere FPS system, and this is the scientific system of measurement, SI system. We'll discuss about this in another class, but we started this measurement